This is the second step that I share with someone who is waiting for a hip replacement or has had a hip replacement. And that is to align the knee joint with the ankle joint and the hip joint. So the focus is on how the weight is shifting through the foot. You'll notice that my right foot is not lifting from the floor and my knee is moving. The weight through my foot as it moves left and right. There's a pause between each movement in order to integrate the sensation. And now I've moved over to the left side. My knee is going out, away from my center. And you can see the weight shift through my ankle. I'm not purposely lifting my foot away from the floor or pressing it into the floor. It's the small micro movement in my knee joint that's connecting to my ankle joint, which is sending force down through the bones into the front of my foot. The heel bone and other bones in my foot are making contact with the floor. So there's a minimal amount of muscle effort in this pattern of movement.